Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a no-bake chocolate peanuts butter cheesecake. So let's get started. First we're going to make a chocolate ganache. In a heat-proof bowl, add the semi-sweet chocolate chips and heavy cream and heat them either in the microwave or over a double boiler until they're melted. And then set it aside for now. And we're gonna make a peanut butter Oreo crust. So in a large plastic bag, add the peanut butter Oreos. Then press out the excess air, and then seal the bag. Then crush them using a rolling pin, trying to get it as fine as possible. Then add them into a medium bowl. And add in the chocolate ganache that we made before. And mix them really well together until they're well combined. To prepare the springform pan, remove the sides. Add a sheet of parchment paper onto the base of the pan. And add the sides back into place. Then cut off the excess parchment paper from around the edges. Then press the crust into the bottom of the pan. Make sure you press it really firmly so that it really sticks together. And place it into the fridge for now until it's set. Then to make the filling in a large bowl, add the softened cream cheese and beat it with an electric mixer on high speed for 3 minutes until it's well whipped and smooth. Then add in the peanut butter, powdered sugar, and milk. Mix them in on low speed at first. Then once they're mixed in, beat it on high speed until it's well combined. Then add in the heavy cream. Mix it in on low speed at first. Then once it's mixed in, beat it on high speed for 2 minutes until it's whipped. And finish it by hand to make sure all the ingredients are mixing in. Then in a small heat-proof bowl, add the chocolate chips and melt them either in the microwave or over a double boiler until they're melted. Then add in 1 cup of the filling. It's okay if it's not cooled completely. And mix them together until they're combined. Then set it aside for now. Then cut some peanut butter cups in half. Then add them all around the edges of the pan, making sure the top is facing out. Then alternate scooping on the plain peanut butter filling and the chocolate peanut butter filling until all the chocolate peanut butter filling is used up. gently spread them out to the edges. Then chop up some more peanut butter cups and add them into the rest of the peanut butter filling. And mix them in until they're combined. Then pour it into the pan and spread it out until it's even. Then to make another chocolate ganache, just like before, melt the semi-sweet chocolate chips and heavy cream either in the microwave or over a double boiler. And pour it over the top of the cheesecake. And gently spread it out until the top is covered. Then add some additional peanut butter cups onto the top. Wrap it in plastic wrap and refrigerate it for at least 6 hours or overnight. Then once it's chilled, remove it from the fridge and remove the plastic wrap. Run a butter knife around the edges to loosen it from the pan. Then remove the sides and transfer it to a serving plate, making sure you remove the base and the parchment paper. And that's how to make a no-bake chocolate peanut butter cheesecake. Be sure to check out my channel because I've got over 100 amazing recipes, and be sure to subscribe and click the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my videos. I hope you enjoyed this recipe and this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.